Do you love Abby? Is she tickling you? Is she tickling you? Your high five. All right. Say thank you. Bye-bye. Look, there's Grover.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, it's totally fine. I'm trying to get it on my phone and my camera and my video camera.
That's not
Is that, who's that, Madison? See if I can get it. Oh, wrong button. Wrong button. Oh, Cookie Monster. You want to go see Cookie Monster? You give him a hug. Say thank you. Aww.
Yeah, you already saw Abby. You love her.
Madison. You found Elmo? Madison, say hi to Elmo. Aww. Madison, look at Mommy. Say hi. Say cheese. Oh, I'm still recording. Oops. Got all three things going on. Do you love Elmo? Aww. Are you so excited? Breakfast with Elmo. Remember I was talking about that. Yeah? Yay!